Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate protective steps. First, back up the current model and tag the repository so you can revert if needed. Next, make sure your runtime matches required Python and package versions and that GPU drivers are installed. This prevents surprises later. Also, snapshot the dataset and record baseline evaluation metrics so you can measure improvement. Once these are secured, create a short task list with the first actionable step. Pull the update branch and run a quick smoke test. You now perform the core update. Merge the update branch into your working branch and address any merge conflicts while running unit tests continuously, because early failures are easier to fix. Then update dependencies and rerun the test suite. Once tests pass, retrain the model on a small representative sample to catch data or training regressions quickly. Make sure to validate outputs against the baseline metrics and run performance and memory profiling. This shows whether changes improve quality or introduce regressions before scaling up. You finish by scaling the training to the full dataset and saving the new model artifacts with a clear version tag so deployments are traceable. Next, deploy to staging using a canary rollout and run end-to-end tests while monitoring latency, accuracy, and resource usage in real time. Once confident, promote to production. If metrics degrade, revert immediately using the tagged backup and examine recent change sets. A focus diff of training config and dependency updates usually reveals the culprit. Make sure to communicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.